Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn House of Hundreds, I together, step by step. Imagine a house where every room holds 100. We'll explore three-digit numbers and the hundreds place. 100 is 10 tens. In 243, the 2 is hundreds, the 4 tens, and the 3 ones. The leftmost digit shows hundreds. Expanded form breaks a number into its places. 243 is 200 plus 40 plus 3. 305 has 3 hundreds, no tens, and 5 ones. In expanded form, 300 plus 5. To recap, 100 is 10 tens. A three-digit number is hundreds, tens, and ones. An expanded form shows each place's value. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.